More than 15 Trinamool Congress MPs will be flying from Kolkata to Delhi. They have sought an appointment with the Union Home Minister Amit Shah to discuss the issue of violence in Tripura. The Trinamool Congress says it will sit on a dharna in the national capital on Monday. This after the Trinamool's Bengal Youth Wing Chief Sayoni Ghosh was detained by the Tripura police on Sunday. The party says that she was attacked by BJP goons when she was taken to a police station in Agartala for questioning.
হেলমেট পরে মুখে কালো পেটি বেঁধে এখানে এসে পুলিশকে মারছে পুলিশের সামনে ট্র্যাপ দিস ইজ আ ট্র্যাপ হোয়াট আর ইউ ডাকা হচ্ছে ওরা যে মিটিং করে পুলিশ এসকর্ট করে নিয়ে এসেছে যাতে থানায় নিয়ে আসার পরে ওরা এটা করতে পারে এবং যাতে কালকে ওখানে আগামীকালকের মিটিংটা ক্যান্সেল করা যেতে পারে যাতে আজকে আমরা কোনো কাজ না করতে পারি পুলিশ নিয়ে এসে যদি তারপর এই অবস্থা হয় লজ্জা লাগা দরকার এই গণতন্ত্রের অবস্থা যে পুলিশ স্টেশনে সেরকম ভাবে মুখে পেটি দিয়ে মাথায় হেলমেট পরে কাটারি নিয়ে মারছে
Allegations is that she is trying to promote enmity between people. तो 153 है तो आप जानते ही हो तो ये promoting enmity between group of people और इसको attempt to murder के लिए वो 307 के लिए भी एविडेंस उसमें प्रिलिमिनरी एविडेंस मिला हुआ है इसलिए हम लोग इसको अरेस्ट करके कल कोर्ट में प्रोड्यूस करेंगे FIR लॉन्च किया है हम लोग जो इसमें जैसे लोग आइडेंटिफाई हो जाएंगे इसमें भी अरेस्ट होंगे आई बिलीव देयर आर 2 पीपल हु आर इंजर्ड तो वो उसके खिलाफ जो लोग इंजर्ड है तो वो सब भी इसमें FIR कॉपी में आ जाएगा उसके खिलाफ हम लोग एक्शन
purposely been produced intimidation tactics. It is trying to scare us and threaten us and abuse of police power. But we are not going to fall back. How BJP is stronger than the people of the state? No. People will speak their mind. BJP is losing ground and that's the reason they're losing.
Well, what we're hearing basically is that since Saturday there has been trouble brewing in Agartala town over this whole business of Abhishek Banerjee, the National General Secretary of the Trinamool Congress, arriving in the capital tomorrow on Monday to hold a giant, that's what Trinamool says, a giant Padyatra. Of course, this is all happening before the civic elections in several municipal corporations across Tripura on the 25th of November. So, Sayoni Ghosh allegedly shouted abuses, allegedly hurled stones at a meeting of the Tripura Chief Minister, Biplab Deb, as she was passing by it on Saturday. And that is why she has been slapped with the charge of attempt to murder. And she was called in by the police station. She went there today, and that's when all the trouble began. This is Agartala's East Women's Police Station. She was taken there, and while she was there, apparently around noon or 1 o'clock, there was an attack by masked men in helmets and masks who pelted stones and even Trinamool claims entered the police station to manhandle and attack Trinamool supporters. That was in the morning. Then again this evening this has happened. Another attack on the police station. Sayoni Ghosh, the Trinamool youth leader in Bengal, has been whisked off to another police station. Another Trinamool leader's house has been attacked in Agartala. All this prompting the Trinamool to declare that they are coming in to Delhi tomorrow. A delegation of about 12 MPs, they're going to come in and sit on dharna here in Delhi tomorrow to protest. They have sought an appointment with Amit Shah, the Home Minister, to discuss the conditions